In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Nordvpn in 2025 in India. Digital privacy is more important than ever, and having a robust VPN like Nordvpn can safeguard your online activities. So, let's get started on securing your internet connection with Nordvpn. First, you'll want to visit the Nordvpn website to get started. You can do this by going to Nordvpn's official download page. This page is your gateway to downloading one of the fastest VPN apps available on the market today. You'll find all the information you need about their services here, as well as options to download the app on various platforms. So be sure to check it out thoroughly to ensure you choose the right version for your device. Once you're on the Nordvpn download page, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, look for the login button on the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're a new user, you'll want to sign up and create an account. Just follow the registration instructions and you'll be logged into your account in no time. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your account overview. This is where you can manage your account details and settings. In the account overview, you can check your current subscription status, update your personal information, and more. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings, as it will help you manage your subscription in the future. Next, you'll want to head over to the section that displays the available plans. This is where you make your decision on what kind of coverage you'd like. Nordvpn offers a range of plans to choose from, each tailored to different needs and budgets. Take your time to look through these options and select the one that best fits your online needs. Finally, after choosing your preferred plan, the last step is to select the length of your new plan. You'll find options for monthly, yearly, or multi-year subscriptions. Opting for a longer subscription usually means you'll save more in the long run. So consider your budget and how long you intend to use the service. Once you've made your choice, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to purchasing Nordvpn in 2025, specifically for users in India. Now, you're well on your way to surfing the internet more securely and with peace of mind. Remember, using a reliable VPN like Nordvpn not only enhances your privacy, but can also unlock a host of content from around the world. Thanks for watching. Stay secure and happy browsing.